Hey, good morning, afternoon, everybody. David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. It is a beautiful day here in Huntley, Illinois. So we just got done doing a round robin of checking the job site in St. Charles, and then going to Geneva to pick up some materials, South Elgin to visit our J.C. Lick store, and then South Elgin to visit our Sherwin-Williams store, and in the process going to Lake Barrington to check on a job site we have up there, and then Lake in the Hills, and now I am finally back on the way to the shop. So it was funny. I had two calls back to back, and I had to share them because I think they're kind of funny. So the first one, they were calling to wanting to see if we could work on our price for cabinets. So it was about 50 pieces total between doors and drawers and shelving that they had in their kitchen. So they wanted to see if we could work on the pricing. I said, well, if we're painting walls, because we gave them a price to paint the whole house also, if we're painting walls, we can bring the price of the cabinets down because we have to mask all your walls and everything. So the price was, I think, $5,600 to paint all their kitchen cabinets. And they said they have a competitive bid and they'd like us to come close because they'd rather do business with us. I said, great. How can we help with that? And they said, well, the other bid was $3,500, so if you could do it for $3,500, then you can have it. I said, that's like $2,000 cheaper. And they said, yeah, we know, it's a lot cheaper. It's over half. So, we figure there's a reason for it to be less than half, but as long as you can get close to that number, you can have the job. I said, yeah, I can't come anywhere close to that number. So they're going to go with the other company, which is fine. I just left them with, just make sure the process is the same. They're cleaning everything. They're sanding everything. They're using a bonding primer. They're spraying. I said, so there's a reason it's cheaper. So whatever that reason is, you want to look into it. So we didn't get the job, but I hung up that one. I had someone else call and said, hey, we had you do the bidding for the kitchen cabinets. We did get a competitive bid that was half, and originally I told you no a couple weeks ago, but you sent me an email and you said, thanks for the opportunity. We wish you all the best. Just make sure, the bids are the same. She says, I thought it was intriguing because I didn't look at them that hard. So after you sent me that email, I looked into it and come to find out that the bids are not the same. So she said, I am 100% sure that these other companies are not doing the prep work that you are doing to give you the finished product that you're going to give me. So we're going to go ahead and have you do the cabinets. The other company was half, but after we looked into it, they weren't doing any kind of cleaning of the cabinets. They weren't putting any primer on the cabinets. They weren't spraying the doors. They were just going to brush and roll, or they were going to bring in an airless sprayer and they were going to spray everything here on site, and that's really not what we're looking for. And they were giving us no warranty either. So, and you have a lifetime warranty that's never peeling, and that really appealed to us. So I thought that was a great compliment. So I just kind of wanted to do a quick video because not all estimates are created equal. If another bid is half, there's a reason that the other estimate is half. I don't know why. If we're doing some painting and say we're using a subcontractor to help us out in some spots, I know we can work on the price a little bit because we don't have to worry about some of the overhead for insurances. But for the cabinets, we have our spray booth, a lot of lacquers, equipment. There's a lot of equipment and a lot of prep work into cabinets, and that's something I wouldn't want my kitchen to be skimped on. So just kind of something to look at when you're looking at your cabinet bids or even your painting bids. Just make sure you're looking at the estimate. If there's a half, there's a reason it's half. Find out why. We'd love to see how we can help you with your cabinet painting, interior painting, wallpaper installs, whatever it is. Love to see how we can help. If you've got questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day. God bless.